Two people them, they die for weekend will just finish for enter for new week. After we wall, it fall on top their skin. This one, it pass now for side with the column says Sodiko, now for Bonaberry side with this palava, so it pass. This afternoon too, we go take una enter for side with the column say Dibombari. Inside Dibombari day, council people then just now, they don't show population. The new face for Dibombari and this one, now it means say Chakaram, it go surely pass for inside Dibombari anytime from now. We go take una too, we talk waka for Michelle Bachelet, where SSF, it be then a strong woman for inside human rights, a commission where SSF be enter for country, for inside this week will just be finished. And Sabi say last meeting, it be there, now with the people them, political people them for inside the country. How face for Bamenda Day this Monday when number 6 day for inside number 5 moon. We go take una, we go for that side. So from Quen, Sabi say yesterday, gone Ibihala for side from Maitun Quen, how them they wake up this morning time. We go talk, newspaper then says the day, we will go bring them for finished story for this afternoon. Big part talk, editor we say person we know the hear advice. He the only dream na if a for sabi. Person where he know the hear advice, he only dream where he the dream na say if a for sabi. Na Sango Tikumusu Kasa Achale for that side, so for Synod Office of Boyam. Na he send we big part talk for this afternoon. Man no run, I the turn back small time. Good afternoon, country people them. We glad for meet up una again. Chapter 2 for Tori, Equinox Story House. Chapter 1, we go start now for Sodiko, inside Bonaberry. Now for that's how we go knock Tori, we start. Now it is on what Tori will happen for place where this tank for water idem. Now quarter way just there for corner this tank where water day for that side for Bonaberry. The quarter name, they call them na Sodiko. Now for day where this Friday or Saturday, Friday breaking Saturday, it be then as on what in. This fence where you see and so con the people them. Now fence where some business man, he build them. And they be don't talk for the man say the one can open roads. He be get for open the fence or he stop the fence. Now the man he don't go be new fence for back after we shift the house. But this old fence on the CM so he no ever come out the old fence. Population for inside Sodiko plenty time. They be don't beg this man say this fence. Sunday, he go fall on top people their skin. The man is also deny. He knows also here wait to population the talk. Now we Friday as well plenty rain before inside the walla here. Plus the strong breeze where it blow. This fence it last fall for down. When the people them Sabi say the fence where it fall for down. Last he kill 2 people them. Yes, now 2 people them he kill them. Some mommy and he picking as soon as see the fence where it turn up. Population if he don't ever the beg. All time in the beg say make this man a chakara defense as well they so he don't make another fence. But the man he no be the ever here, he no be the ever here. So take Friday where last after plenty breeze wey come, fence e fall on top one woman and the pikin get na 18 years where they be come up for road, they dey run go back for house where e dey so rain e dey fall. Now for the fence e fall so on top the 2 people them. Now the woman that where the fence e fall on top e plus e pikin. Sabi say e pikin die one time after where the fence e be fall on top e. The woman sef e be so continue for the breed. They carry the woman go for hospital for Bonasama. When no day they carry the woman now go for Lakentini. Before the one land say for Lakentini, as well they land for Lakentini. Now for this way they so the woman last die. Compound say for the woman on Saturday will be turned back for them. It be then not come and see. As well all people them, quarter people they come, they crime for seek that fence where they so they be don't beg that man sins. Say make he change the fence or make he pay people them. May they try for fix the fence. According to Tori we enter with EM 2000 now where the man he no be gree for Giam for people them for quarter for say make the chakara that fence. Last he can carry now 2 people their head. He go with them now for inside quarter where the column says Sodiko. Now for the way this were what things so will be passed. Inside this weekend we will just finish them. So all the 2 that body them, mommy and the only boy picking. they dey for inside co-house. Make we hear wetin wey brother for that mami he talk for Chair Romanus.
Therefore, they come and tell me say my big sister and the picking where you name na Tommy Taku Lionel. They don't make accident for back Chateau Bonaboye. They never tell me say they don't die. I hear say they dey for hospital. I send my woman say I go look the highway, tell me how they dey. After I don't come out, I did high for melon. Then come me tell me say my sister and his pikin don't die. I take road, go back for Douala. I come see how my sister dey for bedway for Mufa way he don't die and he pikin. All man for quarter they tell me say na place where time where would be the past. Then don't tell it me book the place. Innova book come. Since today Innova book Innova book come. You don't go enter that place. Build some house for the where it deny for book do one. People for quarter they tell me say now only 2,000 for jam for picking them. Say me move am. You know it's deny for give 2,000 for picking them.
Yes, now brother that for woman we die. We be get time to for put our microphone for chief for that quarter for the block head for that side so for Sodicom. Make we hear wait the chief Sesep he talk for Chair Romanus wait we really pass that Friday night.
When road work be go on, they be ask people the way them fence be near road. Be they shift them for back, they be give the dimension. So this very person for this magazine, maybe shift the wall or the magazine, build new wall behind. But one thing, he abandoned the first wall, a very tall wall. If you imagine wall for magazine, na high structure. So the first original wall they be abandoned, and that wall no be get no support. And we people for Kwata, the neighbors them, they don't call their attention because that wall we say will be the same with the fear. Say one day if it collapse, and which way happen. They never die that very minute. Now say we struggle, we carry them, take them for hospital Bonasama. We reach hospital Bonasama, they take the first care, but it be very serious. Now they transfer the mommy immediately for hospital La Quintini. But by the time we reach hospital La Quintini, if we don't give the ghost.
And just so sabi say as we chief self for Kwatam, it be there inside motorway be carry that woman for go for La Quintini hospital way be so get small air for his skin. The chief said take him up, he tell we wait to way him meet up him for La Quintini hospital as we they be carry that mommy reach for day.
The doctors them, the nurses them, then they you don't know whether they for work or they there for pleasure. You they come for emergency. Nobody know the care for see waiting and why them bring person today. Now waiting me a weakness and me I go inside. Doctor tell me say what don't flop, and if you wake up and when they come for emergency, on the day be now waiting they check the doctor where work for night. A woman, he sit there tell me say if you wake up where patient they inside motor. You don't know what type of emergency, whether they go for hurt immediately. You tell me, say, what don't flop, I go for garnison militaire. I actually say, come and see even the situation, because we come inside the hearse from Bonasama. But if you want to send me for hospital garnison militaire, you get for look whether it be proper, the condition will take it be proper and secure for leading to hospital for garnison militaire. You don't do that. You sit down, you peacefully, quietly for your chair. Tell me, say, what don't flop, you know feel wake up. So now what you want to leave am hospital like me personally, I don't witness them. They be the talk, I know the green, but I don't see them.
Yes, now Chief said the talk as we they so they be look at that woman time when they carry and go for hospital. As we doctor they no be take time for here wait that woman they happen. They no even look the woman where make and self same. If the woman self forget for survive for the way they give them, they no for surely meet up the woman for that side. So now so the team pass, we go talk Asha for that family. We take on enter for Bamenda just now. For talk say inside Bamenda weekend to be pass. It be then some kind of weekend for people them for inside the Bamenda country people them just for sabi say plenty rainway fall for that side. You know be sorry any people them for that side for Bamenda, particularly this story house for that side so for Bamenda way antenna. Sabi say that antenna now the two way they make people then say for that side for here this story house, but for Sika the plenty rain plus strong breeze where it be follow with the rain. This antenna for that story house it fall, and apart from say it fall for ground, sabi say even part for the antenna it fall now on top people just zinc. Now it mean say even roof for people then say it be chakara for Sika rainway before for that side so for Bamenda that's Friday breaking Saturday. So just now plenty people that they talk say they say like same antenna say for that story house where it be chakara. People they know sabi say the antenna it drag even meter say for company where the local light it tray am for outside, but the antenna before now from top some house where it make consider house itself a roof it chakara for that side so for inside Bamenda. Apart from that side we'll be try for see even the rope for the antenna after we cut we'll follow the rope so to see himself say it then a serious thing where it means say that story house it get for start prepare again for common money inside the corner. Even current that where this also show for that meter so for that side means say as well the meter cut current it be so the pass or economy. Now it means say any person no be get for pass a day. Even Paul then say for that side they be throw him for Sika this palava for Tron rain way before. And on top that one, we be get even current, we be the waka, wire way they on top for ground, we be the tonton for that side. Sabi say the one is surprise plenty people them for Bamenda. Sabi say it be then a palava rain and Trump breeze where it be happen for inside town for Bamenda. Mbu Stella, we ngondere for that side, it be put microphone for some mami mop, we tell we as well the team be pass.
We sit down so for net, that wind they come. I want only yes so whoop for them. But became come on look up. Say yeah, mommy, na that money antenna. Say where na that money antenna for all day. That by the money antenna don't fall. I even don't know where because one day I don't clap for that. I woke up so say for what side I open door so say where my mommy woke up and ballock with this one. I want to see. People they don't come. That man where they inside the house don't come out can't turn out so. The woman then they cry then they turn out so. We will come out turn out so. Na so population enter they see them how where the thing they. I been even I come home on the cry. Check say sometimes that this my pole lightweight there for my door na for before I come out so with the look and see that and then don't fall. So people they come out for them they need to work out for them they come now for through my door pass the go so through my door for that comes to that today morning time they don't come they fix our way motor they will pass around.
Just for Sabi say after that thing it pass, we congratulate company with the local light as well that pole then say they fall for that one time. We be see them with them to they come with different pole them now for Cantana for Sideway pole they don't throw him. Even as well they be denied said they no want and say we could show them as well they do their work. We be tossing a team for congratulate. We immediately as well pull them for then say they be dead them for struggle for fix they pull them back so that people them for that quarter for Bamenda they go try for get light again for inside that place. We go take una now we talk palava for town planning. We take una enter for Dibombari just now. Sabi say Dibombari says now one of the places already for inside we own side them. Also land for Dibombari sides. It be then a palava for waiting. Council people them where they be meet up with other people them. Sabi say Dibombari just now people that don't be house or some kind of place them where they no get for B house. Now so to Okada them too they just the tana for different place. People that the park motor careless so sorry they no get for do so now all the kind of thing them so where it make con the people them for that side so for inside Dibombari council people them, they sit down with some other people them for inside council for talk say urban disorder just now, nothing where they want struggle for fight time. So now the new way that where they don't talk say the Bombari get for beside where road they get for pass. Anytime from now, call the people them, they talk say council people them, they go enter for inside field for staff for Chakara people them house. So all people there, they never respect the normal roadway they so people they be get for pass. They don't talk say they go can Chakara them for sick I say they want and say make the Bombari a big town where people then say the vision don't enjoy. Make we hear wait to hear some of the people that talk for Shakinomolom in microphone.
Never work and fine. It be say problem for house safe day. Any man they tie a house any kind house they get for tie house where air in the inter come out for house. Road must be everywhere. Where you the inter catch you feel for instance if he fire don't catch for house. Motorway they dig fire for sapeur pompier if for inter. But if we will not plan town now. We not feel build those things even after 10 or 15 years.
The Bombari how when they see them so people the inter plenty, but the for tie horse they know the tie fine. Would you see some man come for before for some man he tie horse he turn up for day. All man they come then toss it down play for past this now for day you go tie horse. The Bombari they so people the leg for inter for inside plenty. Then the graph for the wala come for here by blood. Plenty people. How we dey set for corner so would you also then the blue people for there the Bombari go come flop. Now you will dog say if you then fix wish did the Bombari you fine. They not female they not blue people. But if you then blue people then they make route it pass fine. Like a people any man go here fine for the Bombari.
Yes, now people them for the Bombari, they don't start for plan as we town get for define. We go take una now enter for this trouble then with the pass of country. Sabi say head girl for inside United Nations Human Rights Commission SESEB. He be there for inside Cameroon. He turn it back now only yesterday. For inside head office SESEB for Dasa for Yawende, Mami Michelle Bachelet, where he SESEB he be don't meet all other people there, meet all people there like Baisa Keremunam, Cabral Libi, and even other people them like Barrister Asim, where he been a vice president for MRUCM, and we get even people them like Kawala, where all them SESEB Dede and human rights people them, where they be shidon for talk on top the Palava so for Northwest Southwest. Sabi say inside the arraignment, Kawala, according to he want as a main Kunkuma, he take by force pension. Then they put different people them for top chair where they go look out, say make new governor, he come for inside country. Kawala, he talk all the way the pass for Northwest and Southwest, even Palava for side for Boko Haram. Kawala, he talk all the things the way don't the pass inside we country. Sabi say other people them like Cabral Libim and even Barrister Asim, all them to the talk. On top this palava for Professor Maurice Kamto by Sasim to say they catch him where he no correct and other people them where they day for inside. So all the palava them, Mami Bachelet, he hear him and he don't carry and go for inside for that side. So for Queen Elisa a country. We go take una just now reach for Mile 2 Nkwen today na Monday. Also enter for street for Mile 2 Nkwen. Yesterday we hear say popcorn be hala for them. This morning time no business man so now the talk. No business man he never even there for come out open a business place for Sika Palava way happen now. Business people that place and this when normal all place it be get for the hot as so the talk just now. But people them for that side so for inside the Mile 2 Nkwen Bamenda place it quiet taxi they know the worker even Okada say you know see am for roads or being people they dey for inside house. One the way you see that they tonton they work and now with their food them for tell we say they so this palava they serious for that side of Bamenda. As so I talk yesterday gone Ibihala for side for my Tunkwen. This morning time no man he never come out for outside. As well this palava so they happen so for that side for my Nkwen, sabi say for new road Nkwen for Bamenda. As well people they should for inside house. Dirty it be over plenty for roads, so people then for new road Nkwen for that side for Bamenda they decide say make they carry all the dirty. Sabi say the dirty be already reach right for roads. So as well the palava they so them say they don't talk say as well they dey for house. Now for them say me they carry all their dirty them. So they decide all people them for inside quarter they don't push all the dirty them. So just now so they don't fix the dirty. They say company say they look at dirty For plenty time, he never agree for can carry dirty. So now for Sikawa with them they don't decide say dance, say may they be for house, they do no nothing. May they arrange the dirty so that the dirty you know go for roads. They wait whether the company where they carry dirty, it go come for can carry them. Now for new roads, Nkwen Bamenda be that. Make we hear wait to wait on one man where he says be they clean that dirty. He talk for we.
This dirty, the whole quarter they come to where the here. They don't throw them, so they come lock the road. So we know the day where we feed the pass. Now why we don't decide say, as they know see come carry them for motor, we will come on the community. We where the pass go for our houses. We will see me we come push them, may come sleep so. Whether I come sleep so come rush outside, we never know. But I say me we push them so we got to get away for pass. If council no come, we not gonna know what to do. We the only beg say me. Councils try the work so that may they come see say may they carry the dirty. Because if council no carry,
yes, na new road Nkwembi that inside Boya, Sabi saying Ganya Sesep be come out inside the week we just finished for enjoy am. Sabi say this Nganya he come out now for pass message and for clean town. After we governor Sesep he be talk say they so cheap them they get for come out for March for number 20 day for inside this moon thing will never ever happen. Now for Sikawa that way did dance for back with the people that will be very important. He be come out with some other chief them for March for inside quarter one meet up where then Ganya Sesep it be already end for inside Chief Paris for side for Boassa. Make we hear chief for that side so for Boassa. Plenty people they call a Chief Moja. He Sesep he talk why when Ganya he come out for outside.
The main thing I say we the chiefs of Fako will be vexed for which way His Excellency the governor be talk say we must march. I even talk say last year or last 2 years, if you tell me we march, no march, he say after 30 days, if we no march, he go dethrone me. Now he be put me chief. No. Now my people they put me chief. So if he dethrone me, I will still be chief. I beg him. Say that talk will be talk. He did push people them
To the wall.
to the wall. But I go beg say me no man no go to the wall because I know say His Excellency President Paul Biya, he go take action. I know say His Excellency John Guti, the Prime Minister, will take action. So the Fako people, my fellow chiefs, elite, me all man calm down in mind. Juju come up for outside for appease the God. For that talk because the God they don't get the vex. So go appease the God and say no matter if the governor and if you use a wrong statement.
And just so Sabi say after the committee where governor come out, waiting wait chief day for their mind, how they consider governor, make we hear chief again talk for we.
Me I know call you against Governor Okala Bulai. I'll call you Governor Okala Moja 1. So you to be Mola, you to be chief. So if you say move match, you now put you to now chief of chief. Now you go be for front, they will follow you for back. Thank you as a chief.
Sabi say plenty people they dey for inside bush for sake this palava wey dey pass for Norway and Southwest. Chief for Boassa, he get the tron talk for them.
First of all, behind my outing today, I'll first of all call for all my English-speaking brother them. Where they dey for bush? Say let's stop war. Move be back one. Move struggle for make our way. Country will go for front. Move stop for the fight. We to get our brother them. Where they don't marry French people. So today, what would the talk say? Move separate. We want separate. Fine. But if we want separate. More do am for writing. No be by war. More right. If we want mass, more do a peaceful mass. No be for kill our friends them. Who enter for bush, kidnap people them. No be war that. More come back.
Now, Chief, that for Boassa said the talk for we. Sabi Sef said this weekend too, it just finished. Tori people them too, they be glad they big them. I be promising for 1 o'clock, we go take una enter for different chapter. For inside Kumba, the Tori Sesep, the Tori people there for Kumba, all them, they be meet up now for that side, so for inside the at lake side, for Kumba side them. Now for the Tori people, they try for Shidon, for check their sense, how they walk, since it is so a place in the hot, how they walk in the Wakam. And Sabi say, after that, a palaver will be talk with Eson Larry for inside Kumba.
Here no be easy for especially people like we would practice for downtown like Kumba, place where this Anglophone war the day. Not easy for report here. You report here, either administration, government, they fine you, or the other boys, the owner, the fighter, for this side, they define you. Well, therefore means you not get freedom for really do your work the way you expect or way you're supposed to do them. So most of these things, they don't contribute for CISA. Our work, they really reduced this year. We even the work with fear. Gun that they holla for that side, bullet that they fly past your head. You the one stand for some place or for do some small event or for do some small story. Gun they don't start shout. You the bend down. They think they end. So it's not easy for we to do.
Eson Larry, now one of the Tory mandat for inside Kumba. Bamenda too, then two, even as we place it wrong, Tory people them for Bamenda, then say they be come out. For Friday, now for glad, their big day to be happen for inside that side. So for Bamenda, this one, it passed. Now for before the different president, then for different Tory association them, where they did for inside Bamenda, even regional delegate for Tory people them, it will be there for inside Ngando. It be there to now another opportunity for Tory people them inside Bamenda side there, for them to for Shidon, try for check their sense, whether the work where they give them, like Tory people them, they don't they do and fine, or they know they do and fine. So plenty Tory people then say they be Shidon, head boy for Tory people them, Oga and Mark, he says be dey them for talk with the Tory people them, waiting where they get for do and waiting they no get for do, even as we country, it the strong they go, they don't promise say they go so continue for do their work, for the way they teach them, for inside the different school them, where they be dey. We take on and now, so we finish chapter for the big day inside Douala here. Tory people them for Kamasesh too for Douala, them too they be Shidon. Now for inside British Language Center. Now for the way Ongando starts. Normal, they be get for start with prayer. And Sabi say Tory people them for this side for Douala. They be get stranger where they son a big man inside embassy for France, Oga Philippe, where he says we can't take time, is Shidon for talk with the Tory people them. Another person where you talk with Tory people them, he says a Tory man, they call it an Tarike divine, where it will take time for Shidon for talk with Tory people them, as we the work, he get for the go for before. Gando for Tory people them for Douala here, he finish. Now it's the item 11, the same evening time. Now so we see country this afternoon, country people them. Newspaper they get their own chapter for Tewi. The Star newspaper, now the first one will look for inside this afternoon. Waiting there for before the Star newspaper just now. Now for Tewi, the Star, it try for Tewi say waiting. As we the palava for Norway, South they continue. The United Nations High Commissioner for Inside Human Rights, it be there for inside country. Opposition people them, they just come out all close to Cameroon skin for talk all the kind of watching them where it don't happen. Inside the same chapter 2, you feel read. As well, they tell we trade union people then say they deny for make mash for Labor Day for that side, so for inside Kumba. If you read Tory to a consign 30 million money where they go use them for build a CMA their secretariat. Now for that side, so for inside the Boya where the one go pass. Now so too if you read other Tory them inside the Star newspaper where it dey for outside, as we they write other plenty Tory them. Now only you for enter for day for try for read, as we even a big day for Tory people them. CPJ, it try for congratulate Ethiopia people them, where they do better press freedom, where me say Tory people them, they get right for talk to where they get for talk. We enter for inside the Sun newspaper, where it day outside this afternoon, inside the Sun newspaper, they tell we, say DO for Boya, Mayor too for Boya, Councilor for Boya, all them, they don't turn up for defend Oga Governor, Bernard Kalabilai, after we talk, say may chief them, they come out for March for 20 May. Now so today they tell we Pamol, how Pamol Gomani turn back to normal again for Sikadi Palava for Norway and Southwest. Head boy for Pamol, it the try for Terry. Now around 1.3 billion. Now where they go fit for use them for make Pamol, it they wait to a get for day again. Inside the same Sun newspaper, you read Tory where it concerns Sonara, where they work people them, they don't talk for them, may they continue for do better work for say may the company they go for before. We enter for inside the guidance post where they for outside. Guidance post for this time, it tell we United Nations Security Council says it go last talk on top the palava for Norway and Southwest. This one it go pass now next week. Now so today they tell we as we Ambazonia 5 people then says they knock 3 women then sote for Bamenda. After we they so they be go make mash for Labor Day. Inside the same chapter they tell we as we some mammy where they give Bobby for a picking. They shoot it yesterday now for that side so for Bambwe. Other told them where if you for it inside the guide inside jam post. Now just for enter for day for sabi the strong number them for insight. Advocate newspaper, now another one will look for insights inside the Advocate newspaper. The Tewi Palava at Northwest Southwest where UN Security Council says it don't enter now for see whether if you make things then change in on top the Palava. Now so today the Tewi, the head game for human rights we enter for Cameroon. It don't send peace plan from Kunkuma. Now so today the Tewi as we Kawalam it says it come out oil last belly true for this woman. You feel read to a concerned Southwest governor and even Boyadio, we all them say just now the day against cheat them for inside Boyam. For Sika waiting, Sika Palava say he talks he made a go march for 20 May. Fako Trade Union head boy then says they no be come out for Labor Day as we advocate the Tewi plus Tory people then says with the glad big day for Tory people them press freedom them inside the whole country on Friday way it pass. We enter for the post we day for outside the sun time too. Inside the post we day for outside the Tewi Siseku Ayuk Tabi, he don't talk for the Tory people them for the post as we dey for Kondengi. He don't talk say waiting. He say Boya na the last place I did also look for before for reach for them. On top the same chapter, he don't also talk saying governor he never meet up he for say me they strive for see wait they go talk. Now so today they talk school they fit turn back, but that one now if to them and near them they turn back for the right place where they get for do their work inside the Wakatu where United Nations Security Council says he enter for country they try for Terry, say UN Security Council says he don't start the look this palabam for Northwest and Southwest as when governor or governor, GO, mayor or they say they don't turn up now for fight against Southwest chiefs them according to where they post a talk for we this afternoon. Last story we will look for insights. Logijon newspaper says it day outside the sun time inside Logijon they tell we how they Yawende people them Yawende Gomnam they try for put fire for people the way they so they fight for that side so for Norway and Southwest. You go read that story better for Logijon day for outside. They ask question too. Now which minister he want and say make pa Aya Paul Abine he die? You fit answer that question only when you read Tori where Logijon he write and for him. Now so today the tell we say as number 133 Labor Day he pass 4,000 people then just now they no get work for Northwest and Southwest for Sika this palava way they happen for that side. All the Tory them plus other one Logijon newspaper he get them. Now so we see country for this afternoon, country people them plenty glad for meet up una and as soon as Sabi Tory they continue. Thank you plenty. Amos Fongo, thank you too for that side. Malis and all people there they see say Tory Iwaka fine with the true salute for you. Akumbang Makati for side for Bamenda. Anyhow one be for some time we go surely meet up again. Wanna hold am tight for outside.